got all these handkerchiefs. You can see the big stack right over there. I got a bunch of them, and that's what I'm using along with some other material. This was like a cotton sort of material. It was a little thicker. So they are 3 layers thick, and there is a pocket in there to put a filter in. And for a filter, I don't have any in here, I don't think. These bags like this for the grocery store that are kind of woven. Anyway, basically if you can put water on one side of the grocery bag and it doesn't go through to the other side, that's great material to use as a filter inside of there. I iron these out flat, and I can get 4 masks of the outsides with this. And then I'll use a contrasting color or something for the inside. But I'm pressing these flat, taking them down into these squares, and then I'll cut them 8 inches by 10 inches. Making YouTube videos, you got to be real creative. So what I'm trying to do is get you an angle to see what I'm doing from up high. So on the top of my AccuQuilt cutter, I put a Marine book, because my son was in the Marines and he's in the Army now. So I'm going to put my camera up here so that it points down here so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, you got to be pretty creative. Okay, so now I have 2 sides that are squared, so I can line it up here. I want to cut my 8 by 10. Okay, so I've got all the masks cut out. And then I've also cut out the 8 by 10 liners. There's 2. The inner lining of the mask. What you're going to do is you're going to find the center line of the material. You can measure it out, or you can do it this way. Just finger press it so you can see a little line in there. I'm going to mark 3 inches in, and I'm going to make a line, and this will be my sew line where I'll take it over to the machine and sew it. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. This creates the pocket to put a filter inside. So I'll sew from here to here and back stitch, here and back stitch. Okay, I'm going to go do that. Okay, so I'm going to line it up, drop the presser foot down, and I'm going to sew to here. And I'm just going to back stitch this little piece here. I'm not going to back the whole way up. Just on a regular stitch, following the ink line. Back up. And then bring your needle up. And then squitch it all through there. Go forward, back stitch, and then off the end. And that's it. Back to the ironing board, so to speak. Press a little bit. Makes it easier to fold the material. So you're going to take the top layer of the material right here, and you're just going to bring it down as far as it will go, and then use your fingers to kind of push down on that seam, and then you're going to press it, and you're just going to flip it over bottom to top, and then you're going to take the top layer right here, and you're going to pull it down as far as you can, and again use your fingernails and tips of your fingers, get right to that seam, give it a press. This is the inside of the mask that touches your face, and this is now the hole for the little pocket if you put a filter in there. Maybe not making sense yet, but it will. Alright, let me get the rest of these ironed and I'll be right back. Then you're going to take your material, the colored stuff, and you're going to put it face down. Doesn't matter which side because these are exactly the same on both sides. And you're just going to line it up and sew around all 4 of the corners. Straight across, needle up. When you're done sewing all 4 corners, you take your scissors and you're going to dog ear this without cutting where you just sewn on all 4 corners to release the bulk, so that when you turn it inside out, your corners aren't all budgy and yucky. And you're just going to turn it right side out. So you just put your thumb in, catch that corner, and I usually just put my fingernail as close to the corner as I can get it and push it through and get that corner out. Again, just put your thumb in, catch the corner, and push it this way. And you do that to all 4 corners until you've got it all turned right side out. So there they are. Just ready to have the elastic put on. So what I'm doing here now is I'm putting in pleats because Dana has asked for elastic instead of the cording. So I'm going to make one more pleat in this, and then I'll sew down this line right here on both sides. Got one more pleat to get in this. See if I left myself enough room. Yeah, not bad. There. And then just give it a press. What I'm going to do is take it over to the machine, and I'm going to sew a real close line. I might even do 2 on each one so that they're pleated. So I'll go to the machine and do that, and I'll be back. Clean up these strings and I'll be done. And then tomorrow is Monday, so I'll get them in the mail to you tomorrow, Dana. Well, you'll have them by the time you see this, but okay, Dana, here they are, sweetie, all done, and I will get them in the mail tomorrow. I'll get them packed up tonight. Yay! There's a string on that one. And inside, there is still the pocket, if you can get a filter. And again, you can use a grocery bag for that, the kind I showed you at the beginning of the video. And I guess that's it. So there you go. That's how you make masks. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And I'll be back sometime soon with a whole bunch of other stuff. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that bell and the like button. See you later. Bye. Okay, so I got them all done. Got them all packaged up. Yeah, it's a big package, huh? I threw some extra stuff in for the kids. So tomorrow is, let's see, today's Easter Sunday. Tomorrow's Monday. So I will take them and put them in the mail tomorrow. Okay, hope you guys like them. Bye.